Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you camera tips and tricks for the OPPO Reno 10. So first of all, we can start from the standard photo mode, and right here you can find few hidden options. The first one, you can find the volume buttons on the right side. When you click on the volume up or volume down, as you can see, we can take the photos. When you click and hold one of this button, you can take series of the photos. So we can take 20 photos, and it only works for the volume up button. When you do the same with your shutter, so click and hold it, you will also take the series of the photos. And right now I'm going to show you how we can adjust function of these buttons, because currently we can take photos with them, but when you click on these three lines in the right upper corner and go to the settings, then when you scroll down you can find volume button action, and here you can use them to zoom in or zoom out and take a look. When you click and hold the volume up button, you can smoothly zoom in, and volume down we can smoothly zoom out. You can also switch lenses with this volume buttons. As you can see, when you are about zooming in and zooming out, you can also click and hold on already selected preset, and you will unlock this slider. And as you can see, with this slider you can also smoothly zoom in or zoom out. In this phone you can zoom in to the 20 times with the photo mode and to the 10 times with the video mode. When you want to change some colors and the temperature on your photo, just click right here, go for the filters, and you can take a look for all of them and pick your favorite. Then you can just take the photo with this filter. Next, if you want to get shutter delay, you can just click right here, click on the shutter, and after this time the photo will be taken. You can set 3 or 10 seconds delay. If you are not in the best or the good lighting condition, you can just use this flashlight. So you can just turn it on, and when you take the photo, as you can see, there's honestly not big difference between taking this photo in my case, because I'm actually in the good lighting condition. But for example, when you are outside and it's dark, it's like, for example, 8 p.m. in the winter. So I'm gonna show you how it looks when I turn off the lights. It looks like that. So right now, just take a look. It looks definitely better, right? I'm gonna take the same photo but without the flashlight. Of course, it's very common, but you know, sometimes people forget about this stuff. So that's the quality of this photo, and that's the quality of the photo with the flashlight. As you can see, we can spot definitely more details, especially when you take a look right here inside for this button structure or for this pieces of the dust. So yeah, the flashlight is also a very useful option, but sometimes people just forget about this option. Mostly people just use the night mode. It's not really that good in this phone. It's definitely better to try the flashlight. Next, when you go for the more modes, you can also find the extra HD mode, and this mode give us basically the good quality of the photos. We'll get more details on our photos. So I'm going to show you small comparison, and that's the photo taken with the extra resolution mode, and this one was taken with the photo mode. So let's take a look for the details. That's how it looks. Actually, it looks really good. Let's try to take this high resolution mode, and right here I think that you can definitely find more details, especially when you take a look right here. You know, there's this white line structures, and when you take a look behind, you can find additional lines going like that. And there's also like more pieces of the dust right here. So when you want to get more details, I will recommend you to use this high resolution mode. And there's also some cool mode called the dual view video mode. And from this mode you can record videos from the two cameras at the same time, so from the selfie camera and from the rear camera. You can also change theme of this mode, so we can get, for example, the picture in the picture. It looks just like that. I want to also show you some other useful options when you go to the settings. We can find for example, the shotting methods. So we can just take the photo by touching the screen or showing the palm of your hand. So the first option works like that. You can just click on the screen and the photo will be taken. And the second option works like that. You can show the palm of your hand. Just be patient. It's honestly not working that good, like for example in the Xiaomi phone or the Samsung phone, but it's working. I used this function in the OPPO Reno 10 Pro and everything was fine. But that's crazy that for some reason it's not working right now. Oh, maybe I can zoom in a little bit. Okay, we cannot zoom in. Okay, for some reason it's not working. You can tell me in the comments if it works in your case, but I was using the OPPO Reno 10 Pro and in this phone this function was working. Okay, we can also try to use these settings one more time, and there's also additional useful options, the quick launch. So with this function we can basically quickly turn on the camera when the screen is turned off. So just like that, the screen is turned off, you can press volume up or down twice quickly and you will open the camera application and you can just take a photo. And yeah, that's all for the OPPO Reno 10 camera tips and tricks. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.